The brush holder assembly consists of the brush holder, the carbon brush, and the tension spring. The most common reason to replace the brush holder assembly is a worn-out brush. If the motor is overloaded, the brush holder, wire lead, or tension spring can be damaged, also requiring the brush holder to be replaced. Replacing the brush holder assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the cap from the router. With the cap removed, now I have access to the brush holder assembly. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove the wire from the brush holder. Next, I'll remove the screw that secures the brush holder assembly to the housing. And now I can remove the brush holder assembly. To install the new brush holder assembly, I'll align the brush with the commutator, compress the brush spring, and align the brush holder with the housing. Now I'll secure the brush holder to the housing with the screw. And I'll reinstall the wire. And I'll repeat this for the brush holder assembly on the other side. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cap. And that's how easy it is to replace the brush holder assemblies in your power tool.